Your GMC Sierra is already a beast, but the right accessories can turn it into an absolute game changer. From rugged off-road upgrades to smart, everyday add-ons, today we're counting down the must-have accessories that'll make your Sierra more powerful, more practical, and more you. Let's jump in. At number 5, we have the Mangoal 4K dash cam, a sleek, OEM-style upgrade that blends so perfectly behind your GMC Sierra's rearview mirror, you'd think it came straight from the factory. No messy wires, no complicated rewiring, just a clean, seamless fit for 2022 to 2025 Sierra 1500s. Its f/1.8 big aperture lens paired with the advanced CMOS IMX335 chip delivers stunning 4K clarity at 2160p/30 fps, with vibrant colors, excellent dynamic range, and sharp detail whether it's bright daylight or low light conditions. Built-in Wi-Fi makes it effortless to stream or download footage directly to your phone via the free, easy-to-use app, and you can share moments instantly with friends and family. With simple installation and the option for front and rear coverage, the Mangoal 4K dash cam isn't just about recording the road, it's about doing it in style without compromising the clean look of your Sierra. At number 4, we have the VIKNAN Android car radio, a massive 15.6-inch high-definition touchscreen upgrade that completely transforms the look and feel of your GMC Sierra's interior. Designed for 2019 to 2023 models, this powerhouse runs on Android 13 with an 8-core Qualcomm Snapdragon CPU, 128GB of storage, and a sharp 1920 by 1440 resolution that makes everything look crisp and vibrant. It replaces your stock 7-inch or 8-inch screen while retaining every original function, from AC controls to steering wheel buttons, and even supports both manual and automatic AC, packed with features like built-in Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS navigation, CarPlay, and screen mirroring, plus a SIM card slot and Play Store access. This unit turns your dashboard into a smart command center. Installation is pure plug-and-play with no guesswork, and once it's in, the sleek, high-class display makes your truck's interior look better than some brand-new $90,000 models. At number 3, we have the WHALEMOTOR Underseat storage, the perfect way to maximize every inch of space in your GMC Sierra 1500 from 2019 to 2025. This heavy-duty storage solution is built from upgraded polypropylene for durability, with soft foam cotton dividers designed to securely hold longer items like rifles or tools. It even comes with a removable mini storage box and a handy nylon net to keep smaller items from rolling around, so everything stays neat and organized. Installation couldn't be easier. It mounts directly to the factory holes with the included straps, no drilling required, and fits so seamlessly it looks like it came straight from the factory. Compared to the OEM version, this one offers more space, sturdier construction, and smarter design, making it a major upgrade for anyone who wants to keep their gear secure and out of sight without sacrificing style or convenience. At number 2, we have the Aierxuan seat covers, a custom-fit upgrade made specifically for 2007 to 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 models that combine style, comfort, and protection in one package. Crafted from high-quality leather fabric with soft sponge padding, these covers feel plush to the touch while being completely waterproof, wear-resistant, and scratch-proof. Even your dog's claws won't leave a mark. They're designed with safety in mind, leaving space for airbags to deploy freely, and feature 2 handy storage pockets on the back of the front seats for small essentials. The sleek design instantly elevates your interior, covering old cloth seats with a snug, tailored fit, and they're surprisingly easy to install. While the included hooks could be better, the overall quality, durability, and value make these seat covers a smart choice for protecting your investment while keeping your Sierra's cabin looking sharp. And at number 1, we have the Tyger Auto T3 truck bed cover, a top-tier upgrade for 2019 to 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 owners who want durability, security, and style in one sleek package. Built with heavy-duty 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, reinforced by aircraft-grade aluminum frames, and secured with stainless steel clamps, this US-patented cover is designed to last. The pre-assembled horizontal crossbars give solid support while allowing the cover to fold up easily for full bed access, all without drilling a single hole. Installation is straightforward and quick, about 30 minutes, and once it's on, you'll notice reduced wind noise, improved fuel efficiency, and a huge boost in storage security. It looks fantastic on the truck, doesn't leak, and makes organizing and protecting your gear a breeze. For rugged reliability, ease of use, and a premium look, the Tyger Auto T3 is the ultimate truck bed cover for your Sierra.